Hello and welcome. In this lecture, we will learn how to use if-else condition inside JavaScript. Also, we will go and learn for loop and nested function. So let's start with if-else condition. In JavaScript, if-else condition allow you to execute different blocks of code based on the condition. They are essential for controlling the flow of program. So let's go and check the practical. So let's have one variable a and we will store hello inside this. Okay, so what we can do, we can write if condition to check if value of a is hello. If it is hello, then we will print console.log value of a is hello. Otherwise, if it is not hello, then we can go and write else condition and we will print value of a is not hello or is not hello. So what if else do? If else, like if first condition met, then it will perform the first code block, otherwise it will go to another block of code. So this is basic syntax of if else. Here we have also one more feature. We can use else if a is equal to, like we want to check if it is a react, then it will go and it will perform other action. Similarly, if we can have one more condition like this, else if value of a is react. So if a is hello, it will go and print this a is hello. Else if it is react, then it will print react. Otherwise, it will value of a is not hello or react. Like this, we can use multiple else if condition. So this is about the if else condition in JavaScript. Let's go and learn how to use for loop. So to learn about the for loop, let's create one array. I will give name as const array and it will contain few values like 1, 2, 3, 4. It can have any values, and if we want to perform any action on this all array value, we can go and we can write for condition. Okay, for, let's create one variable here. Let's give name as I of and our array. So this is like our variable which is checking the value from array, and we can print anything here. Console.log value of I equal to, and we can go and we can print our I. So this for loop will be iterated as many times as the value of I is available inside this array. Okay, so it will go first, the value of array first element will be 1, then it will print the I equal to 1, then it will go and check the second value. So like it will be iterated 4 times here. Let's go and check the result. Let me clear. So we can see the value of I is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this for loop repeated 4 times. So this is for condition in the JavaScript. Let's go and learn about the nested function. Nested function means function inside function. So to create any function, we use function keyword, then we give the function name. Let me give init. Okay, inside this function we can perform any action or we can write any code block, but inside this function we can also create one more function. Let me give the function name as print, and let's go and perform the print operation inside this console.log. This is print method. So here we have created one function inside the parent function. Okay, so this child function will be only available inside this parent function. So we can go and call this child function inside this parent function only. We cannot go and call this child function outside of this parent function. So if let's try this to check the result. I will go and I will call the print method here. So we are trying to access this child function outside of this parent function. So let me clear the window and let me go and run this application. So it's saying the print is not defined because this is not available outside of this init function. Here we can go and we can call this parent function. If we are calling this parent function, this is fine, like it is possible. And here we can print this function inside this because this is available here. So let's try this time. So this is print method. How this got printed here? Because we are calling this init method, and this init method is declaring one function as well it calling this print method. So that's why we are getting this print method. So this is about the function inside function. So we have learned how to write a if else condition, how to write for loop, and how to use nested function in a JavaScript. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel.